Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with Snowflake Obsidian, the stone of surrender. And for those who've watched my meditations before, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming back and watching another one. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, and listening to the life situations that they help with so that you can decide if Snowflake Obsidian is a stone that you would like to work with more. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal healing benefits of Snowflake Obsidian, I'll link that in the eye above. You may want to pause this video and go watch that one to get a good feel for the supportive benefits of Snowflake Obsidian before you sit in the meditation. Also, if you've been watching my videos and you really enjoy learning about crystals and gemstones, then make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. I post 4 videos a week about how to use gemstones in your life, and you don't want to miss any of them. The 2 things that you'll need for the guided meditation, and one is optional, is Snowflake Obsidian. If you have a piece, then you may want to go get that now and put that by your meditation space, but you don't need a gemstone to benefit from this meditation. If any of the scenarios that I bring up during this guided meditation really speak to you, call to you, or trigger you, then that's a sign that you should get some Snowflake Obsidian and work with it some more. The only other thing that you'll need before we get started is a comfortable seat. And that could be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or sitting directly on the ground outside. So if you have your gemstone, or you're ready to picture it in your mind, and you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your awareness away from the outside world and to what it feels like to be breathing right now. Is it comfortable and easy to breathe, or is there tightness, or do you want to breathe faster? What is it like? Then bringing your attention to your whole body and noticing any physical sensations you might be feeling right now. And what emotions are with you right now? And how's the state of your mind? Busy? Quiet? Or We're not trying to change or fix anything. We're just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. And then bringing your attention to those parts on your body that are touching the chair or the ground beneath you, and remembering that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, firmly supported directly over its center. And you have access to all of the energy of the earth. So it will support and protect you during this guided meditation today. If you have the snowflake obsidian, then pick that up and put that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the snowflake obsidian today. And take a minute to feel this stone in your hand, to feel its weight, its size, whether it's smooth or rough or has some cracks. And take a minute to get to know your piece of snowflake obsidian. And if you don't have one today, then picture in your mind a black gemstone with white snowflake spots all over it. Notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, your mind since you've picked up the stone. And then imagine that you are sitting under a night sky that is full of bright twinkling stars. You are supported by the universe and all that is highest good, and you can trust your worries with them. And sit with this image of snowflake obsidian energy for a minute. Snowflake obsidian is the stone of surrender. And as you're sitting, either holding or imagining this stone, consider the following questions and how they may or may not apply to your life right now. Are you going through an immense change or loss? Do you feel like you continue to struggle against life situations? Do you find yourself caught in negative thought patterns or unproductive habits? Do you feel lost or don't know where to turn? Do you desire to feel protected and guided and supported? All of these life situations are supported by Snowflake Obsidian. And as you hold or imagine this gemstone, if one of these situations stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to you. Bring it back to your heart, and your body, and your mind. And we'll sit with this for another couple of minutes while you hold the gemstone. And notice if anything has changed about the way that you feel about that situation since you've been holding the stone. And it may take a couple of meditation sessions to notice change. It's okay. And then notice if anything has changed within your body, your heart, or your mind since you started this meditation. And then release the image of the snowflake obsidian energy and release the situation you were considering, and just come back to your breathing. And then when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today to sit through a Snowflake Obsidian guided meditation. And if you feel like Snowflake Obsidian is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the energy and benefits of Snowflake Obsidian right when you need it. You're feeling a little lost or you're feeling like you need support, then you can pick it up and then it's there for you quickly. And that is the essence of incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life, knowing the situations in your life that you want help with, knowing which gemstones will support you, and using them when you need them. And that is the purpose of this channel and these videos, to help you improve the quality of your life. So if you're new to the channel, I post about a different gemstone every single week and how it can support you in your everyday life. And I post an informational video on Wednesdays and a guided meditation on Fridays. So if you're really interested in getting an in-depth study of crystals and gemstone healing, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single one. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon.